Hi, this is Hamid with DiscountElectronics.com. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a screen on your Dell D600 laptop. First we want to make sure we unplug the AC adapter and remove the battery. We don't want any power in the laptop when we work on it. Alright, now we're going to open the screen completely flat as far as it'll go and start to remove the screws from this bezel right here. There's 6 screws, and we're going to start and we'll just work our way around. Put those off to the side and make sure you don't lose track of them. Alright, so now we got our screws off and we're going to remove the bezel now. This plastic piece right here, and you want to be gentle when you do this. You want to just work it around from the inside and just go all the way around. Be really gentle. You don't want to damage this thing. And just unsnap it. Set that to the side. Now there's going to be 4 screws, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. We're going to just go ahead and remove those 4 screws. Alright, now our screws are out, and we want to gently pull the screen out and flip it over. Now be gentle, there's wires connected to the screen. There's going to be one on the top and one on the bottom. We'll start with the top, squeeze the tabs and disconnect that one. And on the bottom there's a pull tab. We want to grab that and be gentle and pull it out. Now we're good to set this old screen off to the side and get our new screen. And you can kind of work in reverse here. Pretty much do the same thing you just did in reverse. We'll plug the bottom connector and then we'll plug in the top connector. Make sure it's all the way in there. Flip our screen over. Make sure it's lined up with the screw holes. And get the screws back in there. And remember, it's the smaller screws for the screen. Screws in, bezel on. Kind of the same as before. Just snap it in and work it around. And be gentle. Always be gentle. And you just want to make sure that this thing is snapped in completely. Look, I can miss a spot here. There we go. Make sure it's all flush with the screen. We're looking pretty good as far as I can tell. Now get our screws back in there. Alright, screws back in. Close it up. Get your battery back in. And you are good to go. You're ready to start using your new screen. Remember, you can find laptop replacement screens and just about any other laptop part at DiscountElectronics.com.